Hello and welcome to our new lesson 3, 3 aspects of vocabulary for IELTS students. So let's discuss 3 aspects of vocabulary or word. What are they? The first one is form, the second one is meaning, and the third one is use. Now let's discuss each one of them in detail a bit. Form of word. What is that? It involves pronunciation, a spoken form. We have the next point. It also involves a spelling, a written form. We have some more ideas. It even includes any word part such as root, prefix or suffix. So form of a word consists of pronunciation, spelling, as well as any other word part which may be root, prefix or suffix, and together we make up the form of a word. We continue our discussion, that is to say, meaning of word. What does it mean? What does it refer to? It refers to the idea a word conveys. It simplifies the concept. In fact, meaning encompasses both the spoken and written form of a word. So, meaning of word together, it is generated from both the spoken and written form. We continue our ideas. Use of word. As Nation 2020 notes, it involves the grammatical functions of the word, phrase, and collocation, how they are used in a sentence in different contexts, in different situations, grammatically. We continue our discussion. Form, meaning, and use of word, all three together. They have both a receptive and productive dimension. When we say receptive is when you receive something, reception of something, observation of something, understanding of something, comprehension of something, and productive when you speak or when you write, that is to say, the expression, your way of telling something to someone. In order to enhance or build learners' knowledge of words and phrases, it is important for them to learn any and all of these different components or aspects of a word. So, it's very significant for a learner if he or she wants to enhance or build up vocabulary. It's very important for them to know all the 3 aspects of a word, various dimensions of a word, that is to say, form, meaning, and its use. Only then they can. This will greatly assist them in improving their English vocabulary knowledge and use. So if they keep all these 3 important aspects of vocabulary in their mind, it will really greatly help them to enhance their vocabulary. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.